Hey, good morning, everyone. Today we are on Lake Delano in the FDR State Park, and we're gonna be hiking the Mountain Creek Trail Loop, which is one of the 7 loops that surrounds the PMT, the Pine Mountain Trail. So today it's 70 degrees. It might rain, but if it does, that's cool. We're ready for it. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is a good time to do that. Hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the other loops of the Pine Mountain Trail that we have done so far. All right, let's get this adventure going. We made it to the starting point of the Mountain Creek Trail, Nature Trail, which is exactly behind the trading post at Lake Delano. So one of the things that I found is that it has this red tape here. Usually red means do not enter. I know they're doing some construction out there, but we're gonna check it out. All right, let's go. So for this hike, we're gonna be following these red blazers. Look at this. Isn't that weird? And people are throwing trash in there. So not cool. Anyways, anybody needs a bandana? Look at this tree. Looks pretty weird. Look at the bottom. I really like this kind of sign. So this is a type of bird, I'm assuming, that lives here, called the brown thrasher, and it says he can hop from one leg to the other, and it gives you some instructions to have fun on the trail. Putting your arms straight out to your sides, pull one knee up, now hop onto your other foot, pulling your other knee up. Try this 10 times in a row. Man, the trail is telling me to try this 10 times, so I have to try and hop 10 times on one foot. Challenge accepted and done. That was kind of tough. Gotta be ready if there's some more challenges like this on the trail.
Want your kisses in the morning light, wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might, 'cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do.
I think I see another challenge. Are you ready for this one? Let's see. The deer. Deer can sprint very fast around trees in the forest. Run as fast as you can and touch 10 trees, then turn around and touch 10 trees running back. You know, I always say listen to the trail, but this trail is putting that statement to the test. And the trail is telling me that I gotta run as fast as I can. That way, touch 10 trees and then come back and touch another 10 trees. And you know what? Challenge accepted. 10 trees coming up and 10 trees coming back. Here we go. Booyah! This trail is so pretty, it has so much water.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret.
Don't do it.
'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get...
You know, I think this trail is beautiful. Doesn't matter how gloomy the day is, you know, the green of the trees. So much water, the unexpected challenges that you see here through like jumping on one leg and sprinting and touching 10 trees and all that stuff. You know, how willing are you to live? How willing are you to be alive? Or how strict are you in the way that you handle yourself through life? That you're not allowing yourself to be alive. Throughout our life, there's so many windows of opportunity that sometimes we're not flexible enough to take advantage of them because we have our trajectory already set to go to point B and nothing will deviate you from that. And maybe you want to go for it, but you are afraid of not achieving something or afraid of the unknown. And that's what is called being alive. We live in a world that is constantly changing, that has many unknowns. We need to start embracing it and be happy and be comfortable with uncomfortable situations. And, you know, and take those windows of opportunity, because what could happen is that you could find something that is new that you really like that otherwise you wouldn't know, or make something, you know, meet people, do stuff, create memories that otherwise will be a very boring story to tell. Just spice it up. Dare to live. You know, these are very difficult times with COVID-19, and a lot of people are suffering from depression, but you have the power to turn things around. And one of the tools I want to offer you is free, it's nature. It's music. Listen to music that will build you up. Come to nature and have time with yourself, and create thoughts, create definitions of your experiences that will build you up. Get away from negative people and cleanse yourself with positivity. Just create your own story. Create a story of success, happiness, and health. Let's do it and see what other challenges this trail has for us. And if you haven't done it yet, please hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out the other videos of the Pine Mountain loop. All right, talk to you later.